Are you tired of switching multiple Facebook accounts across devices and browsers? Worry no more. In today's video, we're showing you how to manage multiple Facebook accounts on a single browser, completely free with the power of Genlogin. Facebook's security is getting smarter. Logging into multiple accounts on the same browser or IP can raise red flags, leading to account bans. That's why you need a smarter solution. Subscribe now to our series on managing multiple accounts across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X with Genlogin. Okay, in this video, I will guide you on how to rename a profile. There are two ways to rename a profile. The first method is to click directly on the profile name to edit it. The second method is to go to Edit Profile and change the name directly in the list. However, this method only applies to renaming one profile at a time. If you want to rename multiple profiles, you need a different approach. To rename multiple profiles at once, first, select all the profiles you want to rename. Then, click Update Profile to update the names in bulk. Here, you can enter a naming structure, for example, Genlogin_001, Genlogin_002, etc. Before updating, check if the naming format is correct. Enter the name according to your desired structure, then click Update for the system to rename all selected profiles. Once updated, the new profile names will appear in the list. The renaming process is complete. After renaming, you can sort the profiles in your preferred order. The renamed profiles will have a structured format, for example, 0001, 0002, etc. So, this is the method to rename multiple profiles at once to make account management easier. A profile can contain multiple accounts such as Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, etc., so adding notes will make it easier to identify. You can add notes to the profile to know which accounts are stored in each profile. This way, just by looking at the profile, you will know which accounts are managed inside.